Hi everyone. Are disposable makeup face towels worth the hype? Well, we're going to find out tonight. So let's get started. So first of all, this company named Ditoi reached out to me to ask me if I'd like to try their face towels, these smaller ones that are a 60 count. And then they have a larger box that, by the way, came wrapped in plastic that are 60 count. Or no, these are 50 count, sorry. 50 count for these, 60 count for these. Now, if you haven't watched my channel before, I like to kind of look over their website, find out a little bit about the company first, and I definitely was interested in the company, so I said yes. So thank you to the rep who reached out to me. Let's get started with the review. So I just want to mention, it's not a lot, so don't worry. These disposable face towels are chemical free, and they're nice and soft, fragrance free, plastic free, cruelty free, no formaldehyde or fluorescent agents. They're made with 100% natural plant fibers. All this totally interested me right off the bat. And they're 100% biodegradable. And I'm like, our makeup removers that we buy in the package, you know, with the remover on it, aren't biodegradable. So let's give these a try. So you pull it out. And here's the smaller size. Now, I've been playing around with these. I like the size of this. I hope you can see the weave on my camera. I don't know why my camera goes a little dark when I get up close to it. But there is a weave to it. And look how durable these are. They're soft. Oops, my hand fell off. These are nice and durable. I really like that. So, soft, absorbent, durable. Now, this is the larger size right here. I don't know what's going on with my camera. Let's take this out. And this is the larger size. Again, so soft, which just amazes me. There's a weave in there again. And then let's compare the sizes. Look at the size difference. So depending on your makeup routine, you can use a smaller one or the bigger one on what you need. Now, the company did tell me that these are reusable. The purpose of these towels is so that when you're removing your makeup, you're not using like a washcloth or whatever you use that has bacteria in it. Since these are biodegradable, you can use these and feel guilt-free for throwing them away. I do like that about these cloths. I really do. And I like how soft they are. So I want to show you something. I have a little bit of water here in a cup. We're going to test it right now. This is the small one. And we're going to put it in this water. Because I want to see how absorbent these are. And I wanted you to see it also. I've already tested it. And I'll be honest, I already videoed this once. I'm like, it's too long of a video. So, anyways. But there it is in the cup. There ain't nothing left in that cup. That towel's holding all of that in. That's pretty impressive to me. And the nice thing about it, you can do this to get the water out. So I do like that. Look at how much water that held. This little towel, and I don't even have it totally rained out, held all that water. So now I don't know the reusable part. I was thinking about that. I asked somebody about it and they said, because it said, you know, you could like wipe down your counters. And they said, yeah, they would probably do that. Like take off their makeup and then like wipe down their counter. And I'm like, you know what? I could see that for like a vanity when you're done, you know, like putting on your makeup, or after your makeup, you know, you're taking off your makeup and you're using this towel, like rinsing it out and then wiping down your vanity and throwing it away and feeling guilt free. I like that idea about it. And I'm just going to kind of show you, since I was playing, I did take some makeup off with it. But you can use these wet or dry. You can also use your regular makeup remover with these towels. So I'm going to be doing probably a short video on this. So if you're interested in these towels, make sure to watch out for that short. But I already took it off that side, so let's do this side. I took a lot off there too. Like I said, I was really playing with these, you guys. So there's makeup. I hope you can see that through the camera. You can see my fingers. And the other nice thing is just take a couple little drops of soap, rinse it out, and that makeup will come out. So if I like that, that's like a huge plus. So that's the bigger one. And then since that's wet, we'll see where I have makeup on the dry one. But I mean, this feels so nice and soft when you're doing it. Like I don't feel like, you know, when you use a wash rag, it feels sometimes a little harsh. Definitely harsher than this. There, I did my blush. That was the easy one. See down there? One little swift move. There we go again. That little spot right there. That's really impressive. So I like that you can, again, use it wet, dry. It's taking off the makeup. I like that if you don't feel comfortable using it, either wet or dry, you want to use your makeup remover. You can use your makeup remover. Take this towel to wash your face. If you have more of a routine than just the face wash, you can literally rinse this out with a little bit of soap, just a couple little drops, and reuse it to wipe your face during the process of your makeup remover. And then when you're done, you can literally take this thing, wipe down your vanity, and throw it in the trash, and you don't have to worry about bacteria from like you would a regular washcloth. So let me know in the comments what you think of that part, and what you think about the part about, well, what you think about the towel in total, and then what you think about the reusable part, because I do like the idea that once I'm done, I can wash it out and just get all the makeup off around my, you know, just off my vanity in general. Now, I did go on their website before I filmed this, because you all know it's late at night. They actually have the large towels right now. This big box on sale for $14.99, and I think the beginning price is like $16.99 or 17 something. So they're not outrageously expensive. I do like that. I like that they come in different sizes, and I also saw on their card, let me grab their card. Okay, so it says, so if you order from them and you want to order again, you receive $5 off an order of $25 or more, but you also get free shipping on orders of $20. Now, free shipping really adds up this day and age. It's expensive, so to spend $20 and get free shipping, I think that's a really good deal, because you're ordering, you could order 2 of these. I think these were 10 something. Or you could order one of the large and one of the smaller ones. I also must admit, I'm not a sucker for packaging. Like, that doesn't make me buy a product. It is cute packaging on top of it. but I like the way that it works. This is the first time I've ever said this on a review. Dido, please send me more of these because these are really impressive. I'm going to show you guys one more time and we're going to end this video, but oh, okay. This is a wet one. Nothing. I mean, it did a couple sprinkles at my face, but the dry one, that's more durable than a paper towel. So my mind just goes when it says, you know, it's reusable, that, and it still has some of the water also soaked up in there, which is also impressive to keep it wet. But mine goes to a couple places real quick. These would be really good this summertime with it being hot out, to either put a couple in a plastic bag, take them with you in your vehicle, so when you get hot and sweaty, you can either use it dry to wipe it off, or you could, if you have access to cold water, put it under some cool water, wipe off that way. These would make great for just not only your face, but your body, if you need something to wipe off with. My other thought was fingernails. Taking off your fingernail polish remover, I would save so much money personally. Let me know in the comments if you would too. Cotton balls, the cotton pads, the half sheet of paper towel I use. I like this, that I could just trim this and literally take off how much of this, what I need, take off my fingernail polish, and then use the rest of the towel for what it's made for, makeup remover. So it's a nice facial disposable makeup remover towel. So that's my thoughts. Let me know what you all think in the comments. I think I covered everything. I'll have all the information below in the description box. Of course, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section and I'll answer whatever I can. And as always, I hope you all are having a terrific day or evening whenever you're watching this video. I cannot remember it. I did this on my last video. Stay safe as always. Oh, I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe if you like unboxings like this with true reviews. I think that was really nice of the company that they wanted an honest review. That speaks volumes that they have confidence in their product and they know that people are going to like them. I really like that. And they did ask for an honest review. So anyways, until the next video. Oh, yes, please subscribe if you like content like this and other money-saving beauty products, whatever kind of products I come up with. So otherwise, until then, I will see you all on my next video. Stay safe.